Hello friends, today we will talk about the follow-up questions. The main cue card idea is describe a time when you felt proud of a family member. As you already know, what kind of questions the examiner will ask you in part 3 of your speaking exam depends upon two things. One, it depends upon the examiner, what he or she wants to ask you on the basis of when he hears you out while you're talking. The second thing is he will take out some ideas from the idea that you discuss in your cue card. So it is very important that you go and check out the link of the idea that I have prepared for you as the main cue card, because these follow-up questions are in connection with the main idea. The link of the main cue card is for you in the description box. Let's get started with understanding the questions and the possible answers. What could be some reasons that make us proud of our family members? When our family members do things beyond our expectations, they make us feel proud. At the same time, when they achieve something great, we also feel pride in their achievements. Next question. Why do most people take their family members for granted? Most people do it unknowingly. Since we are close to our dear ones, we tend to ignore the good things that they do and fail to observe it as we keep seeing it daily. Next question. How can we express our love to our dear ones? The best way to express our love to our dear ones is to not hurt them and convey to them that we love them. It is very important to convey this verbally and regularly. At times, we can give them gifts and also listen to their feelings and spend quality time with them. Last question. What are some activities that we do with our family members? Eating meals, watching TV, celebrating festivals, visiting relatives and places of worship, and going out on holidays are some things that we do with our family members. If you wish, you can include some other ideas that you usually do with your family members. If you wish to purchase the PDF of the cue card ideas written by me, then you can directly contact me on 74330-16809 via a WhatsApp message. This book is for September to December 2021. It has 79 cue cards followed by part 3, that is its follow-up questions, and it also includes 159 introduction questions and its answers. This book is only available on direct purchase from me. So if you wish to buy that in a typed computerized PDF format, which is a soft copy, please contact me directly on the given phone number. Thank you.